Hey guys, what's up? This is the third fan in the beach house. This one is in one of the two downstairs bedrooms, and this is two of three of the Harbor Breeze, whatever these are. Again, either classic style, classic. It could be classic. There's classic style twos apparently, so maybe that's it too, but I'm not 100% sure. Quick top shot here. It's really dirty on top. That's fun. Let's see if we can find a date code. That looks like one right there. 8/2016, so the same as the one upstairs. The same one as the same model. Again, this one is the same. Dimmer for the recessed lights and wall control for the fan. So we're going low, as slow as it can go. Again, remove pull chain for speed control. Move so the light isn't strobing behind it. Never mind. I'll go ahead and move it up to speed 2. Or 3, sorry. This is what I was saying in the Christmas special. These two bedrooms down here have these Lutron dimmers. These are probably Diva dimmers. Is there a better angle while there's not can lights strobing behind it? Nah, okay. I guess there's just gonna be can lights strobing behind it. They aren't flickering, it's just the fan blades. Speed 2. Is the air running right now? Doesn't feel like it. Should be the same amount of airflow as the one upstairs. I'll just do it this way so the can lights aren't strobing. Because it looks really annoying. Never mind. Sorry if that's annoying. I don't know how else to deal with it. Speed 1. Okay, that's a wobbly. Can you see it shaking there? Good air mover. Oh, wobbly though. Just spin down. This is one of the downstairs bedrooms, just a queen king bed. The other bedroom's the same. 2 closets. My aunt and uncle are gonna be staying in this room. They just haven't come yet. Because they were supposed to fly in the same day as us a few days ago, but on the 24th, but their flight got canceled, so We booked one and it's on the 29th. So crossing your fingers, hoping and praying that they come. So they're gonna be staying in here. The bed, my mom was sleeping in here for now. This video is gonna be this one and the other two. I just want to be quick. These ceilings are slightly higher down here. Because even with the bed in the way, my head is a lot farther from the bottom of the fan to my head. Because I'm like 6'2" or 6'3". So maybe that's an 8 foot, and this is maybe a 8.5, maybe. Oh my god. The one upstairs didn't take this long, or maybe it did, I don't know. Oh my gosh, finally. Oh, has it stopped? Yep, there it is. That was definitely longer. I think that was longer than the one that was upstairs. So maybe this one has better bearings than the one that's upstairs. Anyway, on to the next one. Fourth and final fan in the house. Thanks for watching. Bye.